Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about computer vision. So, what is computer vision? As it says in the name, computer vision. Can you guess? So, vision stands for whatever computer sees. And computer you can understand, right? So we've got cameras, we've got webcams, we've got like devices that can see, right? So computer vision is basically the way computer sees and understands the environment. Okay, so we human beings have eyes. We see something in front of us, we see the data in the surroundings, in the environment, and then we process it. For example, if it's daytime, we would see the light outside, and then we'd be like, yeah, this is day. So we're interacting with the environment, we're processing the data and converting it to meaningful information in our mind, in our brains. Okay, so computer vision is basically a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world, whatever they see. Okay, so using digital images from cameras and videos and deep learning models, machines can accurately identify and classify objects and then react to what they see. Here is a picture given on the right. As you can see, it's an example of computer vision where we have already trained the models, and it says this is 92% match with the kite, this is 52%, this is 82%, and these are looking like people. Okay, so they're saying person 99% match, this one is 99%, this one's probably a dog, so this misinterpreted this. Okay, so we need a lot of training for these computers to understand. Okay, so guys, if you want to know more about computer vision, please check out our course on computer vision fundamentals. We are creating one with OpenCV for you, and you can subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and let us know if you actually want to know more or face any problems. We will guide you. And check out our website for more tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.